I'm up at 7:30 on a Saturday morning with nowhere to go. The weather. I may get on the couch and go back to sleep. I'm seeing a lot of people use honey and cinnamon in their coffee, so I want to try it. It tastes the honey. Inside cat is just not a fan of wet food, so we've been giving it to the one outside. I don't know if I've had this one or if this one's just like a new design, but it's pretty either way around. I just brushed my teeth too, so. I had plans on going to the gym, but my grandma wants me to run to Walmart for her, so I don't know if I'll make it to the gym since this got so late. Y'all say he's moving that truck the other day. He told me to go around when I got stuck. Thankfully, where I'm at in Louisiana, we did not get any bad weather. Now I've been seeing posts of like Mississippi, Arkansas, I think Missouri was the one, and like the tornado's just been spinning off like crazy. The sauce I made over the fish last night, my husband absolutely loved it, so we saved the rest of it, and I'm gonna cook shrimp and he's gonna do steak, and we're gonna put the sauce over it. So I've got to pick up steaks. Like, we just decided steaks today. Like, originally we were gonna have just shrimp, but he wants steak too. So I'm in Walmart. I gotta get that. We're having steaks tonight, and I saw a marinade on Pinterest I want to try. So let's see.
I hit it again.
It's 8:21 and I'm heading back to the house to finish cooking my potatoes. The husband is warming up the grill to grill steaks. Landry started a new ADHD medicine this morning. Had a drug reaction. She cannot take stimulants.
I did not take drugs.
Girl. Anyways, so we've been at the hospital with her because her heart rate was 153 and she was moving her mouth around like somebody on drugs. So yeah, they just said that, you know, it'll wear off here pretty soon. Quit, girl.
Excuse